River, we don't know where we reach there. So that's the story. Where you based it, or do you?
A history at night to remember.
Well, welcome back to Leverage Boss TV. You don't know, say Eclips, aka Leverage Boss, and right now we are go to Kingston from St. Elizabeth, and right now we stop at Mother's and get something. And see. I think the first time I got try them patty. Might try them chicken too. This America. There, see them many here. There are Santa Cruz. I don't know if you can see it at the top there, so. Yeah. That is it. And don't call me greedy, but I'll stop at KFC too. This now work. Hello? I don't know if it's alright. Alright, Leverage Nation, right? Take a short intermission break. We'll be back.
Big up all who gather here to celebrate with bubbles. Make it be peaceful and on the journey walk, make it be safe also. So pick up on yourself once more. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, baby. This is your day. I'm always thinking about you. And I love you in a special way. This is your day, your day. Happy birthday to you. And may you live to see you many, many more. God bless. Yeah, my mother.
Time for blow the cake.
Yeah, it's the pop pot for my.
I'm here, baby.
It's your boy Gio, guys. Back with another banger.
Start it now.
Start it.
Yeah, leave VJ, VGC, VJT. You know my thing though.
Magic water. Diabetic.
Yeah, man.
You know the leverage. Soiree. Bubble soiree, you know. So, right now we are going to Santa, but I have a story to tell you now. You see, last night we been come from town and I come back at St. Elizabeth. So, when we all left the party last night, you see, when we realized we just have a quarter tank of gas. So me go so now and I try stop a ferry if you get so. Me no see nobody. So I'm say, alright, let me just try and see where it take us. By the time we go some bombs now and go on the highway, me see the gas a trickle down. So in time me see the gas a trickle down, me see the light come on. When the light come on, me see 20 kilometers. So me go so now and say at night me no know no gas station around me so when we are drive me see it a trickle down more to 10 all the way from 30 to 10. So me pull off of the new highway and say we are gonna go try go Mapen or Clarendon Mapen, same thing. When we go so no boss, not today. When we go so now, and I drive, we now see the old road that we used to take. So we fling on the GPS. And time we fling on the GPS, it's I said one gas station with 2 kilometers away. But when we look, the 2 kilometers turn to 20 minutes away. But I said that no makes sense. So we are drive on a drive on a drive. When we are drive and we go to Banks now and turn and make another turn and make another left. You know them say wrong turn. When we drive and look straight in a Milk River we are go. Me I say, how are this? This no seems right. And we look on the gas now at 3 kilometers. Now we start straight. And I wonder what is now we there in the middle of nowhere. And gas are going run out. So we go so now and take the initiative. We drive up fast and try come out of the bush because you won't get gas. So unluckily now we drive. How we drive? We drive and turn. You know we buck up in a train. In the middle of the night. I went train around in Jamaica in the middle of the night. Then we see the thing go down 2 kilometers. We have to start fret now on a drive. We make 2 right turn and 2 right turn. Then eventually we find one. We save the day. But the whole story is we nearly end up in a Milk River. We don't know where we reach there. So that's the story. Where you base it, Audi?
A history at night to remember.
A night to remember. The wrong turn. That's the short story of the wrong turn. Alright, Leverage Nation. A very special guest. I'll show you how to get this. the mothers and the patty them. Chicken patty we get. Yeah, so what kind of chicken we get?
Sweet chili chicken, and I think original.
See that? Okay.
Looks good.
Yeah. So in a bit we are pull up a KFC right now and get KFC chicken. Yeah, we're greedy.
And compare.
Yeah, I guess come here.
Compare. You can compare the barbecue with the original.
Go for barbecue. I mean the sweet chili.
Sweet chili with KFC barbecue and mother's original with KFC original.
Okay. So we are going up in our line now. Line up long.
Life of the Jamaican.
I know, so the line look killer. Like a whole day thing. Do you know, Leverage Nation again. We'll be back when we get to the KFC road trip.
From St. Elizabeth to Kingston.
That is it. Right now we're in a KFC line, it will take too long, you know, so we can't wait. So at least we try the mother's patty. How it tastes? Our best patty ever eat?
No.
No. Which one you prefer?
Tasties.
Tasties. So me try the juicy beef a long time and I try tasties. But I try the mothers right now. Yeah. Mothers, all I come to say Aki may eat right all I go. It have a little. It tastes good, but taste. I think I guess a preference how you like, but I think I best to me. But tastes good overall. So big up on yourself, mothers. But we are going to eat chicken and say, although we know how the chicken are go still. But
That's a leverage.
That is it. Hi, how you doing? Can I get a big deal? I'm gonna get original and barbecue.
That's it?
No.
Can you get a zinger box?
Zinger box?
Yeah. Barbecue rib.
That's it?
Yeah.
3,040 per video.
Oh, in a PSO?
No.
Yeah, at least we reach somewhere in the line right now. Well, somewhat. We have a lot of cars in front of it, but compare, me take the one potty full me already, you know. Me think my eye bigger than my belly right now. Yeah. But we are some plate still. We know what the KFC tastes like already, so we can sample a piece of the mothers and then ready. But we are get it first. Yeah. So until we get the order, we not see what go on. gonna get some gas right now. We get the KFC. Alright, thanks. Alright. We go. Remember, don't drink and drive, eat chicken and survive. What the frick? Rain right now.
Bubble and a chopper line.
Fries, I think it kind of have them, you know. Kind of have KFC. You get the edge over KFC fries, honestly. But, almost look like the mothers almost look like KFC originally.
Yeah.
Oh, which one is it? That chicken hour?
Sweet chili.
Sweet chili. Yeah. Fuck, rock it off. Taste them sweet chili chicken. Over KFC barbecue. It's nice too. Try the original now. Hey, original probably I go with that thing. Probably I'll go with that thing. Oh, I can't try it. Probably I'll go with that thing. I give them a close running up.
Yeah.
So they wear that one, the original. I give them a Mothers are going with that thing with that one them. I say boy sweet chili. A sweet chili in here?
Not yes, it's sweet in there chili.
Oh, can you mean sweet chili now? You have sweet and spicy.
Spicy taste. Flat.
Yeah, so I think the barbecue, the sweet chili beef KFC barbecue, but the original, the original is a close gamble with that one, them man.
With the original.
With the original. I say, yeah man. That's our quick little short review for that. And right now, the road to Kingston. Right now we're there away. Whatever you know, out of we just one part. We just pass Santa Cruz town and we are go reach pan in a Spurchy. Yeah. So that is it. Right now, Leverage Nation, I reach in Kingston. We drop off the featured house today. We follow me, we drop her off. Yeah, I know we're in Kingston right now. I'm going to ease the back, you know. So always remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for following to a quick short, I guess, what? review, food review. I guess I don't know. I guess the mothers and KFC, I guess. And when you see the thing, the process show a little journey and thing. And yeah, so right now just update right now until it's time to go. So yeah. We are right now. Is it? Four.
Yep.
Yeah, so that's a leverage, is it? Them still happen from the hill climbing. So I'm gonna go check out that video, we know what it takes to. That's a leverage.